being from Brazil, we see America, the land of opportunity. And you hear that over and over from immigrants coming to America. I had been here for 9-10 years, and I couldn't find that vehicle. Once Advocare came into my life, I'm like, okay, this is it.
Before Advocare, we were silently struggling, just in a cycle of fighting to keep our heads above water, and our family didn't really know, our friends didn't know, because we always had that smile on our face. And Bruno was working 7 days a week, commuting an hour and a half to a really dangerous job, and I was just looking at having to go back to work.
Everything that I learned from my parents was, if you want more, work more hours. That was their philosophy. And that's what I learned until Advocare came into our lives. I don't have to struggle. I can give my wife and my kids the world. It has truly changed our vision, not only for ourselves, but everybody that we come across with. And just sharing that opportunity, that hope, that's the biggest thing, because there are so many people like us before Advocare. We had no hope.
I really saw the financial opportunity because we needed something to help us, and I started sharing it, and it was our first 2 weeks of actually trying to share Advocare with people and using the success system. We earned a $3,000 rookie bonus, and we had no idea what we were doing, you know. But part-time, I'm matching my husband's full-time income. You know, what hope is that for stay-at-home moms or for dads who don't want to work all the time? That was a blessing that absolutely saved us. So that was the start of just total life change to come. The products are amazing, but it's been the finances that's changed our whole life and given us hope.